Guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to turn your character into a custom model just like this. So I just turned my character into a bear, as you can see, with animation. You can add your own animations, but this is just a test to show you guys on how to turn your avatar to another rig on whatever you like, whatever you feel like. So let's just get straight into the video. Alright, let's start our tutorial. So first what we're going to do is set up our explorer right here on our right. So we have our bear model. I will have this bear model in my Discord server. So you can join my Discord server from the description down below. Make sure to join, so show support, suggest more ideas for new videos, and etc. So once you get your bear model into your server storage, so when you download the bear model, you will be able to put it in your workspace and then put it inside your server storage. So now that that's done, we're also going to create a script inside our server script service and call it custom rig. Now let's start scripting. So first what we're going to do is get our players service. So players, this is what it's going to do. So it's going to detect when a player joins our game, and when they join our game, I want to get their character so that we can change it, right? So player.character or player.character added wait. So when a player joins, we will get their character. If there is no character, we will wait for the character to be added. Or you can also do character appearances loaded, but I'm going to do character added. So character added, now that we have our character, we're going to check if our character exists. Then we're going to basically get our server storage. So server storage, this is where we keep our bear model. So game, get service, server storage. Now we're going to clone our bear model. So local new rig equals server storage, wait for child bear, and then clone it. So now we're going to add this new rig into our workspace. So new rig dot parent equals workspace, then new rig dot we also need to set its position to our old character model. So we're going to call pivot to, and we're also going to get a new variable, call it old char pivot. Gonna do character get pivot. So this is going to return the position of our character, and we're going to set our new rig to the old character's position, so it's lined up. And then we're going to test our wait for the game to load, and then we're just basically going to destroy our character. Or you can also run player.character destroy, and then we're going to set our character to our new rig. So nice, I think we got it working, but let's just test it out, see if there's any bugs, and let's see. So there we go. We turned our character into a bear, but one problem is that the camera doesn't follow our bear. You can see it's stationary, our camera is stationary, but we want it to follow the bear, right? Like in the intro. So what we're going to do is actually create a remote event, which will communicate between server and client and tell the client that we need to follow the bear with our camera. So we're just going to say camera client, and then here we're just going to get our replicate storage, game get service replicate storage, replicate storage dot camera client fire client. This is going to fire for our one player that joined, and then we're going to give in our new rig to follow. Now what we're going to do is create a local script and call it camera controller or something like that. You can call it whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Then get our replicate storage. Okay, storage equals game get service replicate storage, and then we're going to get our remote event camera client, replicate storage wait for child camera client, and we're going to do camera client dot on client event connect to function. If you don't know what remote events are or remote client remote functions, you can search up on the Roblox documentary and check out all the information about our remote events. So this is for beginners, so I don't think you don't know this, but I'm just going to do it, right? So we're just going to say camera subject. So this is our camera subject, which is going to follow our rig. Do a variable right here, custom rig. Camera subject will be custom rig wait for child or humanoid. Make sure the bear has a humanoid. Like when you import a custom model, it has to have a humanoid because that's what it's going to follow, right? And also it has to have a primary part, which is our humanoid root part right here, primary part. Now we're going to say camera type enum type custom, so it follows it. Now if we test our game, it should work. Everything should work right now. Let's see. There we go. We got our bear model working and our camera follows our bear. How cool is that, guys? So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and do all of that. And join my Discord server. Please join my Discord server for more suggestions and videos. I've seen some people join already, so I'm quite excited for that. So, about the tower defense game. So, I'll probably continue that next month. I'm sorry about that, but I have a lot of stuff going on right now, full-time projects and etc., commissions, etc. But you guys don't want to know that. So thank you for watching and see y'all in the next video.